What's up, Blockheads? Welcome to a new video for the Blockbox. This is the video for the Blockbox for June of 2018. I'm gonna show you guys what we're getting, but it sounds a little bit like this.
Hello. Connected.
If you guys know that sound, or if you guys don't know that sound, you should know that sound. But if you guys do know that sound, you know exactly what I'm talking about, right? In this month's Blockbox, I'm giving away a Sena 30K, brand new in the box, still even in the plastic wrapping. But wait, guys, it gets better. You know how it gets better? Because in addition to this Sena 30K that I'm giving away, I'm also giving away another Sena 30K. That's right, guys. This month's Blockbox, June 2018, there is not only going to be one person selected, but there are going to be two people selected to receive a Sena 30K. I mean, if you guys haven't heard of these things, if y'all have seen any of the moto vlogs where basically I'm talking to Miss Blockhead, or I'm talking to Raj, or I'm talking to Eric, or anybody that I'm talking to.
Is that you?
That's me. We've hair, dog.
Sick.
This is how we communicate. So basically one of these is on my helmet, and like I said, this is what it sounds like when I turn it on.
Hello.
And then once I turn it on, you basically are able to pair the one on your helmet to a person that has one on another helmet, right?
Tell him to put gloves on.
So I'm gonna get shit for wearing.
So if you have friends that have Senas, you can pair them up together, and this is basically Sena's latest version. Super clear audio. It has mesh intercom as well, so mesh intercom, and tons of features. It totally changes the dynamic of riding with a group, because instead of having to use hand signals so much, you can still use hand signals, but you can tell the people that you're riding with, like, yo, heads up, coming up here on the right, there's some debris in the road, or yo, we're coming to a stop, slow down. Usually what we'll do is, like, we'll have somebody in the lead, like say Reese, he'll be leading our group or something like that. We'll have a couple of people, 8 or so, and then I'll be connected to Reese, but I'll be riding in the back. So we're constantly communicating what's going on in between. He'll be like, all right, we're getting over. Is everybody over? Yes, we're good. Or, damn, we hit a red light. You guys wait up, etc., right? So this totally revolutionizes riding with people, even if it's just one person. Like me and Miss Block being able to communicate while riding is huge. So that's what I'm basically giving away for this month's Blockbox. And like I said, we're not just having one winner, we're having two winners. So this episode actually brought to you guys by Sena.
Connected.
If you guys haven't heard of them, be sure to go check out their website. I will drop the link down in the description below, as well as right here on the screen. If you guys don't know, I've previously worked with Sena before on doing a review for the intercom systems here, as well as their helmet. I did an unboxing video on that. I still need to do a review video on that. I know you guys are waiting for it, but I've had a couple problems with mounting the camera to the bars and stuff like that, but promise you we're getting there. In addition to these, with the Blockbox for this month, we always give away a couple key items, so I'm going to be giving away key tags, right? So you get one key tag here and one key tag here. So you guys, whoever's chosen to receive these, each gets a key tag. Also, we throw in a couple of get lowered gift cards, so get lowered gift card there, get lowered gift card there. We're also going to throw in some Blockhead transfer stickers, some vinyls, and you know we can't forget about the golden ticket. This is basically a Blockhead swing arm decal, golden Blockhead swing arm decal. Additionally, I'm also going to throw in, we just got these made, Miss Blockhead's golden ticket. So we got a Miss Blockhead one. We'll throw in a random thing. So we got a Bassani keychain. We'll throw in, let's see what else. Throw in a kinetic sticker to one of them. Throw in a couple of Hot Bodies racing stickers. I'll sticker you guys up. In addition, each person selected is going to receive their choice of a Blockhead t-shirt. So based on any t-shirt that I currently have available in the shop, whenever we select the two people that are going to receive these randomly, I'll contact each one of you and I'll ask what t-shirt you'd like, and then basically have it made and shipped your way. If you guys aren't familiar with what the Blockbox is, be sure to check out the link down in the description. I will link to a video that kind of explains what it is. Basically, it's my way of giving back to the community through Patreon. You have to be a Blockhead patron in order to be selected to receive one of these things. It's randomly done, basically who receives them based on pledges. Disclaimer, legally, it's not a raffle. You're basically pledging to support the creation of content, and this is basically one of the ways that I choose to give back to my community. To me, I've received a lot of opportunities because of you guys, so I just feel like it's right to be able to give back, you know, and so if this is one of the ways that I can give back, then, you know, I'm gonna keep it up. And with the way it's been going lately, guys, like first month we gave away the Blockhead garage banner and it did awesome. The second month we gave away a GoPro Hero 5 and a couple of random other items. This month, giving away 2 Sena 30Ks, as well as other stuff like the key tags and stickers. You know what? I'm gonna throw a random item in, but I'm not gonna show you guys what it is. So there's gonna be a random item for each one of these packages, right? So this is gonna be a package on its own. This will be a package on its own, and I'm gonna find a random item. So like last month for the GoPro, I threw in a little black random box. Within that box, it was something. Not gonna tell you guys what it is. Yeah, so I'm gonna do the same with this. So there's gonna be a random item selected from here in the garage with each of these. Oh, you know what? Forgot, we also got these made. So I'm gonna include a couple of Miss Blockhead stickers. Did I put? No, I didn't put regular. Wow. All right, so we'll do those Miss Blockhead stickers. And I forgot to put these Blockhead stickers. Bam, so those two. Lots of stickers. So anyways, yeah, if you guys are interested in participating in this and possibly being selected, be sure to go sign up for Patreon, become a Blockhead patron. I'll leave the link down in the description below, as well as right here on the screen, patreon.com/blockheadmoto. Basically, for every pledge that you make towards the creation of content, I make a list showing the range, and then I randomly generate a number and I decide basically who's going to receive the item. So this month, 2 chances to win something. I will say, disclaimer, if I randomly generate a number and it lands on the same person like 2 times, we're not going to do that. So one person cannot win both items. I will say that right off the bat. So one person can win one item, and then if you get, you know, your number is drawn again, I'm sorry, but I'm getting a Sena 30K is pretty awesome. So I'll randomly draw one, and then based on random number generator, I don't think it would land on the same person twice, but you never know, and I feel like I should be safe and just go ahead and say that right off the bat. Anyways, that is freaking super awesome. I hope you guys are excited. Big thanks once again to Sena. You guys be sure to go check them out, Sena.com. They make all sorts of different communication systems, not only for motorcycles, but in like bicycle helmets and stuff like that also. I've been using one for like over a year, and man, like I started with the 20S, I've got the 30K on this helmet right now, and it is just awesome. Like I said, totally revolutionary for riding, especially if you're riding with somebody else. Hell, even if you're riding by yourself and you want to be able to take a phone call, you know, like you don't have to pull off to the side of the road to take a phone call. That's super awesome. I had to do that one time and I pulled over on the wrong side of town, man. It was just, it was not good. I should have already had a Sena. I couldn't imagine not having one at this point. So these are just super awesome. So also, yes, this is available internationally. So if you guys are overseas, you are able to participate in this. And at this point, the block box is doing so well, probably we'll be able to cover international shipping. If that happens, if somebody, you know, from overseas internationally wins it, we'll have that discussion whenever we get there. So like I said, hope you guys are excited. Check out patreon.com/blockheadmoto. Sign up for your chance to be selected to get one of these. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you guys aren't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon so it sends you notifications of future uploads. And until next time, you guys ride safe, stay vigilant. I'll catch you guys later. Deuces.
Goodbye.